Hello lovelies, this is Dinh, author of Wrapped in Sin. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe below. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. To you how to make a spooky googly eye ghost tissue holder. So let's get started. At least a 1 quart wide mouth mason jar. Next tissues, the one in the circle cylinder, not the square boxes. These I purchased from Target. This I had picked up from the Dollar Tree. Of paper tape, foam sheet, some type of cleaner, scissors, and some type of writing utensil. So take the lid off and let's wipe down the jar. Okay, we're going to go ahead and clean the jar. Spray some on here on the paper towel. Want to make sure that all of our handprint residue is wiped off of the jar so that the paper tape will stick a little bit better, just in case if your hands are oily or can do is start from the top here and just work my way around. Do want to Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cover the top like that. I might just do one more around the top just so that it has double coverage. I'll do twice around the top. And then now I'll just circle around the body. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to work our way back around. Just want it to be smooth so it'll stick. And if you notice on a mummy, the dressing is not perfect. So that's why this does not have to be perfect. But you want to make sure that it's at least double coverage so that the jar's not so see-through. Double layer it when you get close to the bottom. And then start circling it back up for coverage to make sure that it got double layer all around. Okay, you want to wrap it until you think it has adequate coverage. Then just rip it off and end it in the back. Alright, I'm going to take the lid here and circle it against the foam sheet. Like so, and then I'm going to cut it. One of these foam sheets out, draw an X in the back, And I forget, you can either use a pair of scissors to nip it, but I'm actually gonna use my cutting knife here. So, googly eye, put the size that you want and center it. Grab the googly eye size that you want, place it on the jar, and just glue it down. It's gonna look like that. Isn't that cute? And then we're gonna go ahead and open up one of these Kleenex tubes here. Just empty it out and slide it right in. See how perfectly that fits? And also a paintbrush. And we're gonna go ahead and paint the lid. Now that the lid has been painted, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it with a clear coat, and I'll be right back. Once the lid has been painted and sealed, I'm going to put glue on the inside rim here. Get the circle foam that was previously cut with the opening and just drop it in. This is what it'll look like after. And just tighten this lid on to the mason jar. Insert the tissue through the little opening. And just tighten it so. Here's the final spooky googly eye mummy mason jar tissue holder. That's what it looks like on the back, in the front, and up top. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe below. Once again, my name is Dinh, author of Wrapped in Sin. If you enjoy reading smutty comedy romance, please check it out. It is available at Apple iTunes, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and other retailers. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye, my lovelies.